Guys, it's Cuuhriz here. Today we'll be installing the Morimoto LED fog lights. I already have one put on, so that's the one we're going to be changing, and that's the one I already did. I don't know if you guys can see the difference or not. So first off, I'm using a 732 sockets right there. You can see just a regular flat head. Just a regular screwdriver. It's reversible. You can turn into a flathead if you want, and then a longer flathead to take out the fog light. So first off, jeez, it's dark in there. Well, anyway, there's gonna be two little bolts that you gotta take out. One right there, and one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once you take off these two little guys, you're just gonna wanna grab this and pull it back. There it is. See the fog light? You can see it right there as soon as you pull it back. It's not very far. Just pull it back and get like a bungee or something to hold the fender on your back, so that way you have more room to work. From here, see a little screw in that pigtail? So you want to take off the pigtail from the fog light. Gonna want to loosen that screw, and that's the screw to level the fog light, like as where it's pointing. So take a picture of it up top or video, whatever you gotta do to make sure you want to match it the same as the other one, because you don't want to be flashing people or nothing like that. So we can go ahead and take those off real quick. Cool. So after you take it out, see, these are little tabs you have to worry about. Those little guy and that little guy. Like I said, you just get a flathead screwdriver, probably one side at a time, and then take them out. It's really not that hard, but here it is. You're gonna want to save this guy right here. You want to take him out and put him in your new one. You can tell the difference. So if you look at it from the top right here with its little notches like this, the black and white one is going to go on the left side, and the solid one's going to go on the right side. You might want to test it out just to double check for yourself before you plug it in, but this is how they look. Alright, so for right here, guys, you're going to want to connect the connectors in. You push them in until you hear them click. Give them a good tug. Make sure they're in there right. After that, you should be good. And then you're gonna want to put the little holder tab for the screw now from the old one. This guy, put it on that one. Here's the old one. You just want to push them through. Just like that. So when you put it in, the spring, and then the spring will go here and then the screw will go in. I just want to grab it, and the Morimoto, there's a logo on the fog light. I don't know if you can see it. The bottom, that indicates the bottom. So don't put it in like that. Morimoto has to be facing bottom. And then you just feed it through the hole and connect it on both sides. Just like that. Through, guys, see that tab on the side? It's going to connect it there. You're going to want to reconnect your clip and then put your nut and spring back in, and just have it like the stock one was. That way it won't be flashing nobody. There it is. It's sturdy, doesn't move. That's in place. Looks good. I like it. Can't wait to put the headlights on. I'm gonna turn it on right now if you can see it in daytime, and then nighttime I'll do another video so you guys can see. So right here, guys, is how the fog lights look in daytime.
I really like the look of them. The whole black housing really sets them off to me. I'll also be showing them at night so you guys can see how they shine on the road and how much they cover compared to the stock halogen fog lights. The fog lights at night, you can see how far they spread out on the sides. It's pretty far. I have my headlights on at the same time. Hold on. So this is just the fog lights alone. You can see how bright they are and how far the reach is. So if I'm sitting back in my seat right now, that's all the way to the right side, if it focuses, and then the left side comes right off the mirror right there. So it's pretty cool. I like them. Let me show you them outside real quick. This is how they look outside. It's the sides, the side. They're nice and bright. I do plan on getting the headlights. Not too sure when, but plan on getting them. Hey guys, just thought I'd go over that with you guys for the fog lights themselves. And then those are my regular halogen lights. See the difference? You can see on the sides. But if you guys like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell on. I'll be seeing more videos of the truck. Got more things coming in for it, so stay tuned guys. Peace.